Hello and welcome to this short video. My name is Ken Zhang. I lead the Greater China security practice for Google Cloud. What I want to share today is all about using generative AI to support our first-party security products. We have quite a lot of demos to go through, so without further ado, let's get started. Let's take a look at the short history of generative AI. I want to draw your attention to 2017 when Google announced a very important research paper called Attention is All You Need, when we open sourced the very important architecture called a transformer that really revolutionized the development of large language model until today. And if we fast forward to 2023, we took one of the large language models we built and fine-tuned all the parameters with the security data and made a security purpose large language model we call it SecLM, and that is our hero today. This is a high-level overview of the SecLM. On the left-hand side, where I showed you some of the data we used to fine-tune this model, such as VirusTotal malware, the Mandiant threat intelligence, and the Chronicle playbooks, etc. On the right-hand side, you can see we are using this model to support our first-party security products, and we are allowing our partners to leverage this model to customize it, expand it to their own use cases as well. And as customer, very soon, you can also leverage this model, working Vertex AI platform, take your data in your own environment, fine-tune your own adapter model, and serve your inference. The first demo we are going to look at is from VirusTotal. So over here, we're uploading a brand new script, a PowerShell script. And you can see none of the security vendors actually flagged this script as malicious, but that's okay. With large language model, we actually understand how coding works, how scripts work, right? We found out this particular script is actually malicious because it's trying to steal the Gmail credentials. So this is one of the use cases how we leverage a large language model to find novel threats. The second demo we are looking at is from Mandiant threat intelligence platform. Over here, an analyst is trying to find information around Ukraine, and there are over 3,000 different entries over there. It's just impossible for any human operator to summarize that much of data in a short summary. Over here, LLM actually gave executive summary and also the grounding to all the reports as well to help the analyst to boost the productivity. This demo is about Chronicle Security Operation Platform. We are focusing on the search part of the SIEM feature within the SecOps platform. Over here, we are using natural language to ask Chronicle to generate search queries without your analyst having to learn how to write those Chronicle syntax. And very quickly, you can turn a successful or desired search query into a detection rules as well. And you can simply click on the button. It will take you to the search, the rule editor, or you can also give the feedback back to the large language model to making sure it will generate more fit for purpose and better outcome. This demo is still about Chronicle SecOps platform. But right now, we're looking at SOAR part of the SecOps platform. This particular analyst is looking at a case. Within a case, there are several different alerts being grouped into the same case. And our large language model gave the security analyst the summary of what's happening across all the alerts being raised in the same case, and then giving these security analysts advice, suggestions, what to do, what to look out for. Again, it's another example of using SecLM, the large language model, to boost the productivity of the security analysts. Now, coming back to Chronicle SecOps platform detection rules, some of the security practitioners probably can empathize when you had to spend quite a lot of time to tune the detection rules for false positives, etc. Over here, what you're looking at is you are interacting with the Chronicle using natural language to tune your detection rules. Not only that, you can see that the platform is actually giving you some suggestions how to tune the rules as well. Not only we built the large language model to help you to generate rules, generate the detection rules and playbooks, etc. It can also work side by side like your trusted advisor to give you advice when you are trying to do the threat hunting or handling some of the cases. You can ask the questions as you go through your investigation, and SecLM, the large language model, will give you advice along the way as well. Of course, you can also have the feedback loop, the reinforced learning through the human feedback to help the large language model to generate better content, more fit for purpose content for you. The last demo I want to show you is the Security Command Center Premium, which is cloud-native security product living on a GCP. This is just one of the features from Security Command Center Premium. Over here, we mapped out the attack path for alerts generated in this product. And it will tell you if one of the alerts being exploited, what are the other assets in your environment that may be affected, and giving you an entire view of it. And on the right-hand side, you can see we actually also leverage the same large language model to give you a summary, telling you what's happening of the entire attack path, and as an analyst, what you need to do as the next steps. Just to wrap up this video, this is the overview of Google Cloud Security product portfolio. We overlaid it against the NIST cybersecurity framework. As you can tell, for each of the controls, we have corresponding products and solutions to help you out. That's all from me today. Bye for now.